Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock a Honda Accord with a dead battery. It can be frustrating when your remote key fob doesn't work, but don't worry, there's a simple solution. First, locate the hidden physical key inside your key fob. Most Honda key fobs have a small release button on the side. Press it to slide out the metal key. This key is your ticket into the car when the battery is completely drained. Now that you're inside, the next step is to open the hood to access the battery. Look for the hood release latch, usually located on the driver's side, down by your left foot, or on the lower dashboard. Give it a firm pull. You'll hear a click as the hood pops up slightly. Then, go to the front of the car, find the secondary latch under the hood, and push it to fully open the engine bay. With the hood open, you can now jump-start your Accord. Connect the red positive jumper cable to your Accord's positive battery terminal first. Then, connect the other end of the red cable to the positive terminal of a working battery. Next, attach the black negative cable to the working battery's negative terminal. Finally, connect the other end of the black cable to an unpainted metal part of your Accord's engine block, away from the battery. Once your Accord starts, let it run for about 15 minutes to give the battery some charge. After that, your remote key fob should work perfectly again for locking and unlocking the doors. If your battery is several years old, it's a good idea to have it checked by a professional. They can test its health and recommend if it needs replacing to avoid future dead battery situations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.